Hello and welcome to another bundle weekender at Tonic Studios, where we give you the best deals on Nuvo and Craft Perfect products at up to 50% off. So today I'm going to go through with you what's exactly in those bundles and also give you a little bit more insight into the products in those bundles. So we'll kick it off with the 3 sets of Craft Perfect that we've got. And the first one is the classic Dragonfly. Now it's got lovely purples and blues and in lots of different varieties of cardstock. So you've got classic cardstock in there, specialty paper, which is this wonderful textured different paper. If you've ever seen our specialty paper before, really lovely detail and different patterns, and yeah, really good for you doing wow effects on your project. You've got specialty card in there too, got some mirror card and pearlescent, lots in there for you. So that's your classic Dragonfly set. Next up, we've got spring pearlescent. Now these are beautiful spring pastel colors, lovely peaches, yellows, purples, greeny turquoises, spring greens, and then you've got sort of peachy pink as well in there for you. So yeah, a wonderful set. If you love your pearlescent card, make great back-ends, or if you want to do some borders, that kind of thing, it's perfect. This is the Midnight Dragonfly set, and in this you've got, again, lots of variety in different styles and sort of textures of cardstock and the quality that you'd expect from Craft Perfect card. You've got glitter card there, as always, minimal shed on the glitter card, high quality. You've got specialty paper as well in a lovely sort of blue snow effect, the same as we saw in the other bundle there. That was in sort of a white or off tint of blue, but yeah, you've got a dark blue on there, and you've got a green turquoise, some green, got mirror card as well, and lovely bright green, some pearlescent card in there too for you. So yeah, that's your Midnight Dragonfly bundle. Next up, we'll go to the Nuvo portion of these bundles, and so we've got here our Peacock Feathers. This is glitter and confetti. All right, so you've got these lovely little pots in colors, peacock colors, so purple, turquoises, again greens and blues, but you get these lovely confetti pots which have alongside with them lots of different, so little stars in there, and you have little hexagons in there, and then lovely little bits. So perfect for your shakers, or if you're doing some Christmas dazzle and sparkle to your projects. Now next up, we have our texture sort of compartment of what we're offering this weekend, and you've got 2 glacier pastes, and they're one of our newest Nuvo additions to the collection, and they're a really smooth, wonderful paste. I've seen Alison do it where she's used it on card, and it even looked sort of like a pearlescent card. It was that, it was that smooth across the top. But we also included those then Glimmer Paste too, which is a more gritty textured paste. So if you're doing mixed media projects or just want something that raises off the card a little bit, that's a great paste as well. And you've got those in blues and turquoises and greens as well, aquas. And finally, we have our Dream Drops, so our Nuvo Drop collection, which is famous worldwide and popular. These are the Dream Drops, which are part of that Nuvo Drop collection, and these are a luminescent sort of drops, and they've got iridescent, but it's probably the right way to describe them, with that lovely sort of the mixture of colours within them. So I think Aurora Borealis, that's almost what they were called when they first were going to be released, is because they've got those Dream Drops, those lovely mixture of colours in there for you. So that is your Dream Drops. They're available, there's 4 of those in there too, and all these bundles are attuned to the Designer's Choice launch, which is available this weekend. So it's a special die set only from Tonic Studios, and you can get it on the Tonic store now, so you can check that out as well. That's available for you. But thank you for joining me today. Up to 50% off these bundles. They're closing Monday at 4 p.m, so get them while you can, and from me, see you soon.